Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily add collections to a page in my Shopify. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just simply be in here in Shopify, click add section, and you're gonna see collections here. So let's just click here, collection list, and now click add, and then we get like first collection, and select the collection, and we have summer one, right? Click save. Now when I would like preview the website, you can remove it. Right? Click save. Then I would preview the website here. And voila, here we have it. Summer collection. And this is pretty much how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.